Unlocking the mystery, not ring any bells, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in everyday conversations. Not ring any bells. Have you ever heard it and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together, breaking it down to understand its usage and how you can incorporate it into your English-speaking skills. The phrase, not ring any bells, is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that something does not evoke any memories, recognition, or familiarity. It's as if your mind is a bell that should ring when a familiar idea or memory is hit. But in this case, there's no ringing, meaning nothing comes to mind. While the exact origin of not ring any bells is a bit murky, it's widely believed to be derived from the way bells have been used historically, to signal, alert, or remind people of something. In this expression, the metaphorical bell doesn't ring because the person doesn't remember or recognize what's being discussed. Usage examples. The name doesn't ring any bells. Are you sure we've met before? I tried to remember the book you mentioned, but it just doesn't ring any bells. Incorporating not ring any bells into your conversation can help you sound more like a native speaker, especially when you want to express lack of recognition or memory in a casual, idiomatic way. Tips for using it. 1. Use it in informal contexts. This phrase fits best in casual conversations rather than formal or academic settings. 2. Combine it with a polite clarification. If you don't want to seem dismissive, follow up with a question or a request for more information. For example, that doesn't ring any bells. Could you tell me more about it? Let's practice with a few sentences you can try out to get comfortable with the phrase. When you mentioned the movie title, it didn't ring any bells, but after you described the plot, I remembered watching it. The description of the place doesn't ring any bells. Maybe I've never been there. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, usage, and ways to practice the expression, not ring any bells. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more expressions like this one. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.